Welcome friends. In this video, let's discuss the editorial page of today's Indian Express. Now, इस वीडियो को बनाने का मेरा ये पर्पस नहीं है कि सिर्फ आपको न्यूज़पेपर की समरी दूं, बट आई ऑल्सो वांट टू टेल यू हाउ यू शुड रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स, हाउ टू मेक नोट्स इन एनी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम, वेदर यू आर अपीयरिंग फॉर IAS, PCS, SSC, बैंक, PO, IBPS, किसी भी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम की दे रहे हैं आप. एंड नाउ डेज UGC नेट हैज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड जनरल अवेयरनेस सेक्शन, so it is always helpful to have knowledge of current affairs, and even as an educated person you should be aware of the things that are happening around you in the world, in the country. So let's quickly scroll down to the editorial page. Now this is the editorial page of 20th October. Now पहली चीज तो आपको ये करनी चाहिए that you should always look at the quotations which are mentioned in the newspapers, whether you are reading the Hindu newspaper or the Indian Express. Both are good newspapers, and try not to read any newspaper because सारे newspaper अच्छे नहीं होते, कुछ अच्छे हैं, so उनमें से एक पढ़ लेना. Now have a look at the quotation that they have given. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Now it also reminds me of John Keats, because John Keats in the Ode to the Nightingale, he also mentions this, that change is the thing that is permanent. और आज के 21st century में तो ये बहुत ही important हो गया है, that the measure of intelligence is the ability to change. How fast you change, because the world is changing now. The world is changing, not just technology, but economy, society, everywhere in the world is changing. Whether it be due to globalization, whether it be due to technological changes, whether it be due to the high aspirations of common people. That is why change is important, and change for the better, not for the worse, but for the better. Now, after the quotation, let's move on to the first news. See, this is more of a political news that Mallikarjun Kharge साहब बन गए हैं अब कांग्रेस के प्रेसिडेंट, एंड शशि थरूर दो ही कॉन्टेस्टेड, बट ज्यादा वोट उनके नहीं आए थे. बट इससे भी बड़ा सवाल ये है दैट देयर कैन बी अ क्वेश्चन इन आंसर राइटिंग और सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन दैट हैज Dynasty become the rule in Indian politics? Dynasty, nepotism, psychophancy, इस पे subjective question आ सकता है. And there is a very famous book by Patrick French. He's a foreign author, and this is the book that I am talking about. India, a Portrait by Patrick French. And in this book, मतलब basically करते क्या है इस किताब में ये, he describes how psychophancy dynasty has overtaken all the political parties in India. So from a subjective point of view, this can be a question, but in terms of the news, yes, Mallikarjun Kharge साहब जो हैं, he is a very seasoned politician, seasoned congressman, and yes, knowledgeable as well. So it is hoped that he brings in change. Now leader चाहे जो भी हो, decisions अच्छे लेने चाहिए. So even whether it be Shashi Tharoor or whether it be Mallikarjun Kharge साहब, both are seasoned leaders, both are very experienced people. So all respects to both of them. And we can also relate this quotation to this news, that the measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Indian politics needs change. And considering that Congress party is one of the national parties of India, that is why it should change for the better, not for the worse. Now, next news is back to Imran. Now before that, I want to show you the next page, the ideas page जो है. Salman Khurshid says that change by evolution is not to be devalued against change by revolution, because the cost of the latter can be very high and predictable. This is a beautiful quotation. I know this can become a very quotable line, and you can also get this question in the essay paper. अगर आप IAS या स्टेट PCS की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, you have to write subjective answers, and this is a wonderful quotation by Salman Khurshid साहब, in which change by evolution is not to be devalued against change by revolution, because the cost of the latter can be very high and unpredictable. True, हम सब चाहते हैं कि change हो, हम सब चाहते हैं कि जो व्यवस्था चली आ रही है वो अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन ये सही कहते हैं that sometimes evolution is better than revolution. Now whether it be French revolution, American revolution, या कोई भी आप Chinese revolution ले लो आप, हिस्ट्री के सारे एग्जाम्पल्स, ऑल रेवोल्यूशंस हैव बीन वेरी वायलेंट, और जरूरी नहीं है कि द एंड ऑफ एनी रेवोल्यूशन विल बी पॉजिटिव. ऑफ कोर्स रेवोल्यूशन इज एट टाइम्स रिक्वायर्ड, एट टाइम्स इट इज ऑल्सो गुड, बट रेवोल्यूशंस कैन ऑल्सो टेक अ बैड टर्न. चाहे आप एग्जाम्पल ले लो अरब स्प्रिंग का, जो कि बैरक ओबामा के टाइम में हुआ था इन दी अरब कंट्रीज. सो ऑल रेवोल्यूशंस आर नॉट ऑलवेज सक्सेसफुल. And he has beautifully said this, that change by evolution is not to be valued against change by revolution, because the cost of the latter can be very high and unpredictable. True, जब हमें पता नहीं है कि बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज करने से क्या होगा, then धीरे धीरे ही चलना चाहिए. But of course, अगर कॉन्फिडेंस हो कि तेज चल सके हैं और तेज चल के कुछ अच्छे चेंज कर सके हैं, देन ऑफ कोर्स वी शुड गो बाय रेवोल्यूशन नॉट बाय एवोल्यूशन. बट यस, दिस फॉर्मूला ऑफ एवोल्यूशन कैन बी अप्लाइड everywhere because एक तरीके का फुल प्रूफ मेथड है that nothing will go wrong. In the editorial page back what we were discussing, now this is the article on Imran Khan. Now इस पे ऐसा कोई सवाल तो जनरली आता नहीं है चाहे कोई भी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम हो, बट हाँ एक चीज आ सकता है, सिंस इमरान खान हैज बीन इन न्यूज, तो इनके बारे में ये न्यूज आ सकती है या ये सवाल आ सकता है दैट विच इज द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी विच इमरान खान लीड्स. इट इज द पीटीआई. इट इज कॉल्ड पीटीआई. पीटीआई कहते हैं, पाकिस्तान तहरीके इंसाफ इनकी पार्टी का नाम है. दिस इज द ओनली क्वेश्चन विच कैन कम इन अ ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन. कोई सब्जेक्टिव तो जनरली बनेगा नहीं इस पर्टिकुलर न्यूज़ पे, बट हाँ ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन या एमसीक्यूज बन सकते हैं बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. एंड कंसिडरिंग दैट इमरान खान हैज मेड सो मेनी स्टेटमेंट्स अगेंस्ट द पाकिस्तान आर्मी और एकदम ऑलमोस्ट एक रेवोल्यूशन टाइप का वहां पे एनवायरमेंट क्रिएट करते जा रहे हैं वो, तो फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पीटीआई ये आपको जानना चाहिए. देन नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज BTS and the army. Now BTS basically is a music band in South Korea. Now why is this important, and this is a very famous popular band in the entire world. And क्यों ये news में आया हुआ है? Because the members of BTI are saying that please exempt us from compulsory military service. And as the article points out that equality should be for everybody. Rules and responsibilities should be applied to everybody. Why should anybody be freed, right? And of course, but ये बात भी सच है that serving in the army is never easy for anybody. But I think the best way in today's world, as Prime Minister Modi said, that today is not the era of war. भले ही आप मिलिट्री में सर्व करें या जहां भी सर्व करें, कोशिश हमेशा यही करनी चाहिए that we should sort out disputes and conflicts through discussion and dialogue and diplomacy, not through war. जैसा कि यूक्रेन और रशिया में हो रहा है, both sides are losing many people. Now, if a member of a rock band or a popular music band goes in the army, chances are that they might not be able to survive that. If there is compulsory military service in a country, everybody has to go. चाहे वो rock band में हो या ordinary इंसान हो, rich हो, poor हो, so it applies to everybody. But as I said that today is not the era of war, as Prime Minister Modi rightly pointed out some time back. And this is the next article in this, that United States has imposed sanction against China's semiconductor industry. Now in some ways you will say that it is अच्छा ही है, impose कर दे रहे हैं ये लोग sanctions, तो बढ़िया ही है. But what the author discusses is that is it fair to impose such sanctions on China and the Chinese industry? You can argue both ways, because one thing is clear that the Chinese industry is being used by the Chinese military. But as the article points out, what about the Chinese people? After all, it's almost as populated as India. The aim of any sanctions should be a kind of surgical strike, taking to task rogue governments or dictators or maybe military, but adversely affecting the general public. And as the article points out that US sanctions against China's semiconductor industry seek to further its hegemony, don't bode well for the world. Now, hegemony किसी के हाथ में हो अच्छी बात नहीं है. There should be a mechanism which allows equitable, fair trade in semiconductor industries. Because semiconductors today are used in every kind of technology. चाहे मोबाइल हो, लैपटॉप हो, कुछ भी हो, उसमें semiconductors चाहिए. So any country achieving a kind of hegemony is not good for the world. Now, after that, this is the last article, a public health pioneer. Now this is basically about Dilip Mahalanobis, okay, and he is basically associated with ORS, oral rehydration solution. So from a objective point of view or MCQ point of view, ये question बन सकता है that who is associated with ORS? It is Dilip Mahalanobis. Okay, तो ये नाम आप याद रखना when you make notes or when you read newspapers. So try to read newspapers in a way that actually helps you in future exams. क्योंकि ultimately अगर एग्जाम देना आपका लक्ष्य है तो उसके लिए प्रॉपर तरीके से नोट्स बनाना और प्रॉपर तरीके से तैयारी करना भी जरूरी है. So with this, I wish you all the best. Let's meet tomorrow.